Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to change the name of a board in the Trello mobile app. If you manage multiple projects or teams, keeping your boards clearly labeled is essential. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. After that, locate the field labeled name. Tap on it and type in the new name you want for your board. Make sure the name clearly represents the purpose of your board for better organization. Finally, once you enter the new name, the update will take effect instantly. You can now go back to your main board view and see the updated name reflected immediately. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.